Hey there, my name is Shanna and I am Travel with Shanna. I am a travel agent, a passionate world traveler. I love sharing the world with my kids and I love helping other families to do the same and helping make travel easier and more accessible and just getting you out there in the world. And today I am super excited because I got my box from Epicure. I did my Epicure order. For those who don't know, Epicure is a super easy meal solution company that uses all whole ingredients, lots of whole foods. It's very healthy, no preservatives, no bad stuff. The reason we got involved with it was because my son has celiac disease and can't have any gluten. And we started with Epicure because it was a great solution to use when we were traveling. We were taking our first international trip, traveling outside of the country to Iceland, and it was the perfect solution to make sure that he could eat safely um, on that trip. So you can see some of the meals I made on the road in Iceland if you subscribe and go to my YouTube channel. Check in there, check for Epicure on my YouTube channel, and you can see some of the videos that I made cooking in our van in Iceland. So today I just wanted to share with you, I'm going to open up my Epicure box here and share with you some of the stuff that I am excited to order. I've got my scissors here. I'm going to cut open my box. It's pretty big. It's on the floor here. I got a big box of stuff. It's like Christmas. I can't hold it up in my lap, but let me cut it open here. And I'm just going to share with you a little bit of what we are excited to be eating for the next couple months here. Now, you don't have to order ginormous boxes, but the way that I do this and I make it cost effective is I joined Epicure at the ambassador level. And what that means is that you have to make a minimum order every 3 months. So I order every 3 months. I order, everything that we need. And for doing that, they give me a discount on products. So it's pretty much money that comes back into my pocket. So it's like receiving a wholesale discount because you're buying in quantity. And this is also great for people who are wanting to share these products and with other people. So that being said, I am just doing this right now because I love to share, but I don't have time to do cooking classes. So I'm just doing it for the discount. But whatever you decide to do is great. We've got a bunch of packing stuff. My kids are going to have a ton of fun with that later. So I'm excited about this. We got donut and bagel pan and a rectangular steamer. These steamers are super, super handy because you can use them to cook things, real food in a microwave when you travel. So if you're staying in a hotel room, I love the steamers because you can cook meals in here in a microwave. I got a wee tiny baby whisk, but oh my gosh, so much goodness in here. And this is all of this stuff is completely gluten-free and nut-free. So we are excited. I got easy peasy bagel, pancake, and waffle. We love the Alfredo. That's a favorite around here. I got Thai coconut soup. I'm excited to try that. My kids are probably not so excited for that one. My daughter will eat that, but my son probably won't. Epicure has awesome mac and cheese. What else do we got? Butter tart. Chicken stew. This is really, really good for travel. It's super easy to make on the road. This is one of the recipes that I made while we were in Iceland because I brought dehydrated vegetables with me, and then all you just need is a little bit of chicken. So that's super handy. Meatloaf, crispy, crunchy coating. Anxious to try that. This is a fall seasonal favorite. This is apple pie spice, which I'm excited about. So that is some of that. Epicure also has awesome spices. I'm excited about this one, rosemary, garlic. I use those two a lot, so I'm excited to have those together. It sounds really good. Garlic, herbs, black pepper with a little bit of orange flavor. Sounds super yummy. Let's open the other box in here. What else do we have in here? Lots of Alfredo, beef broccoli stir fry. Ooh, honey garlic meatballs. Honey garlic meatballs. Excited to try those. More chicken stew, lots of chicken stew. Because we've got some winter trips coming up, so I thought that would be a good thing to have. All sorts of yumminess in here. Now, if you want to eat healthier, if you know somebody that can't have gluten, if you know somebody that has an allergy to nuts, anybody who's on a low sodium diet, Epicure is great for them. So if you want more information, I'm going to pop the link for my store here into this video. You can pop in there and peruse. Feel free to shop, try out some things. Feel free to shoot me any questions. I would love to hear your questions, and I hope you are having an awesome day, and I will see you again soon. Take care.